Unlock the power of larger crypto investments by mastering the secure and reliable wire transfer process to your Coinbase account. First, log in to your Coinbase account, navigate to the Account or Portfolio section, where you'll find the option to add funds. Once you're in the Funding section, select the Bank Transfer or Wire Transfer option. This is your gateway to depositing fiat currency directly. Coinbase will then present you with the necessary bank wire details. Take note of your unique reference code. This is crucial for your deposit to be correctly credited. Now, head over to your own bank's online portal or visit your bank in person. You'll initiate a standard wire transfer using the details provided by Coinbase. Carefully enter the provided account number, routing number, and the exact amount you wish to deposit. Crucially, include your unique Coinbase reference code in the memo or reference field. Confirm the details and authorize the transfer. Your bank will then process the wire, sending your funds securely to Coinbase. Allow typically 1 to 3 business days for the funds to reflect in your Coinbase account. Once complete, you'll be ready to purchase your desired cryptocurrencies with confidence.